Good afternoon. Welcome back to my winter camp. I've been out here since about 9:30 this morning waiting for the sun to come up. I also brought out my chainsaw again and actually had to take it in to get fixed. I forgot to mention in my last video that the recoil rope broke off on the inside, and I thought I'd better take it into someone who knows what they're doing. I was on a roll out in the woods, and then all of a sudden my back was getting sore, so I shut it off.
Yeah.
And then I went to go pull it, and then the whole case opened up. I'm like, oh.
Ah, okay, yeah.
So it rattled loose. I think I'm going to put... You think it's a good idea to put some Loctite in?
Yeah, that's what I'll be doing.
Okay.
I'll put some Loctite in there to lock it in. Make sure it doesn't happen again for you. The way they start.
Right.
And just that this old girl has been around the block a few times, around the block a few times, around the block a few times.
Had a pretty productive day, bucked up lots of firewood. Still struggling with that chainsaw, it just doesn't like the cold. And when you work it really hard for a long time, it just wants to stall. But it's all that I have. I got lots of wood bucked up, but I still have to bring it all back to camp, split it, stack it. Lots of work to be done yet. So this is where that big, huge fallen tree was. It was such a tangled mess, it took quite a long time to get this all cleared away. Got this little pile of wood here. We're not supposed to get any more snow for a few more days, so I wasn't too worried about getting this stacked up. This is all the limbs I cleared away today. Just a huge pile, lots of kindling in there. I got 10 more rounds right here, and way down there I got 10 more huge rounds. So on my next trip, my main focus will be to get all this to camp, start splitting and stacking it. Here's my outside wood pile. I just had a bunch of short pieces, about 4 feet long. I finished bucking all those up today. Here's all the rounds from my last trip. Right now I'm about 100 feet away from camp. There's another tree here I was working on. I got about 13 rounds cut up. A lot more to go on that tree. Unfortunately, I know it's hard to tell, but I'm on about a 45-degree slope here. Very dangerous cutting wood like this. My feet kept slipping and I'm just fighting to get that chainsaw going all the time. Got some grilled perch here today. Just enjoying the fire. Defrosting my gloves. They're frozen solid. Probably my next trip is going to be overnighter. Just getting lots of work done. Go through lots of firewood spending the night here. man, what a great day. Alright guys, I'm just packing up, getting ready to go. Leaving my chainsaw and my fuel out here. I'll be back in about 4 days to do an overnighter, hopefully. But please remind me to pick up some bar oil. I'm almost out. Decided to stop in at my trail cam, have a quick peek. There's this very large bag of birch bark I collected. I have to take it to my winter camp because I'm almost out. And I have some more bait here. This pureed fruit from a smoothie and some nuts in there. And I think it's only about 3:15 and it's getting dark already. So I gotta get moving.
Hey, thanks for watching.
If you like our content,
feel free to subscribe here.
Don't forget to hit that bell.
So you'll get a notification
As soon as a new video is uploaded.
And we hope to
Catch you guys on another video.